Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today I will show you how to make award certificate. You have to follow the steps and we will make a splendid certificate in Publisher, inshallah. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Today's tag. Let's start. First of all, you have an app named Publisher. Click on Publisher and you have this screen appear to you. Go to more templates and you have to select built-in library. So you have to want award certificate, so click on award certificate. You have a different prototypes appear to you. You can select any of them. Suppose you have to select this certificate type. You can change the writing style. From here we use Gorgia bold. You can also change the color here. So here is the final. So create. The certificate appear to you finally. You can make things edit. So here is a great idea about this certificate is presented to. We can change the font style. So here is the name of recipient. So we gave it the today stack, which is our YouTube channel name. So here for suggesting a great idea too, you can change font. So here is we have idea of innovation. You can enlarge them. So it is visible to you. You can make font, I think 12. There is innovation. You can change the color. You can also change brush color. You can also change the color of today's tag. So I think it is black. I think it should be black. Okay. Here is the signature and here is date. So you can delete because it is also add signature and date. Here is your organization name. So organization name is World Innovation Society. You can make things easier. Font to World Innovation Society. You can change the color from here and you have to choose a easy. You can change the okay, it is bright. I think it is good border and easy to understand. You can change your today's tech color. You can make them so bright. Okay, I think black is good shot. Here you can give effects. Select effect. So here your award certificate is ready now. So in this way you can make multiple prototype award certificate on your publisher app. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Today's Tech. Allah Hafiz.